How to send money from Coinbase to Pocket Option. In this week tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send money from Coinbase to Pocket Option. So first, open your web browser and search for Pocket Option. Click the first link and log into your account. Once inside, tap the top up button, which is you can find on the top right. Then choose Bitcoin as your payment method. Then enter the amount. Example, $150 worth of Bitcoin. If you have a promo code, you can enter it, then click continue and pay. Copy the Bitcoin wallet address or scan the QR code. Open coinbase.com, tap send and select Bitcoin. Enter the exact amount and hit send. Important notes. Ensure the exact Bitcoin amount reaches the address, and only use the Bitcoin network for transfers. Generate a new payment form for each deposit, and failure to follow these steps may result in lost funds. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.